Hello students, you are watching Skyline International School's YouTube channel. Here you are getting lots of knowledge. So today I am going to explain you a topic of class 11th physics, which is the topic of chapter number 1st, dimension formula. And this will help you to find the dimension formula of any physical quantity. For this, first of all, you have to remember there are seven fundamental physical quantities. You have to learn the seven fundamental physical quantities along with their units and dimension formula. And here are the quantities. There are seven quantities which are written here: length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. But when you have to find any dimension formula, you need only 5 physical quantities, and let me tell you what is the formula of these quantities. Length, you know that we will represent length by meter. Meter is its unit. इनकी जो units है, these all are written in the bracket. Here are the units of all the physical quantities which are represented. Now, for finding the dimension formula, we need only these 5 physical quantities. The length, we will represent length like this. L should be in capital letter and it should be placed between the brackets. Similarly, mass, M. Time should be represented by T. Current should be represented by A. And temperature should be represented by K. We don't need these two quantities, so leave it. We will discuss only about these 5 quantities. Now I will tell you how you can find the dimension formula. For finding the dimension formula, you have to know two things. The first one, this, and the second one is the formula. जिस भी physical quantity का आपको dimension formula find करना है, you have to know the formula of that physical quantity. For example, if we find the formula of area, area may you can use side into side or length into breadth, whatever. If we use the formula side into side, now you will think that here side is not given, but side, height, length, breadth, radius, all will represent by L. Okay, because these are the same. So you can write like this: L into L. So it will become L square. We can represent it like this also: M to the power 0, L to the power 2 and T to the power 0. Because you know that if we write anything in the किसी भी quantity की अगर हम power 0 लिख रहे हैं, it means its value will become 1. So you can write like this also, and you can write like this also, but this is much better than this. Now if you have to find the formula of dimension formula of speed, so for that firstly you have to know what is the formula of speed. I think in class 11th everyone has to know the formula. It is distance upon time, and again distance will be represented by L, as I tell you earlier. So it will become L, and time it is represented by T. Now what you have to do, you have to write it like this: L into T to the power -1, because T यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में है, इसको हम न्यूमिनेटर में जाएंगे तो इसकी पावर -1 हो जाएगी. अगर आप चाहें तो you can leave it like this, otherwise you can write it like this also: M to the power 0, L and T to the power -2. Similarly, I will tell you how you can find the formula of different quantities. Now our next quantity is velocity. The formula of velocity is displacement upon time. मैं आपको फिर से बता रही हूँ, आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट कहाँ से आ गया. डिस्प्लेसमेंट तो यहाँ पे विजिबल नहीं है. डिस्प्लेसमेंट, डिस्टेंस, रेडियस, लेंथ, ब्रेथ, हाइट, all will be represented by L. Okay, So here displacement will represent by L and time will represent by T. So it will become L t to the power minus 1. So as you can see that the dimension formula of speed and the dimension formula of velocity are same. Now the fourth quantity is acceleration. As you know that the formula of acceleration is mass into velocity. Mass will be represented by m and velocity अभी हमने तुरंत फाइंड किया है L t to the power minus 1. So you just simply write m L t to the power minus 1. This is the formula of acceleration. Now the fifth one. If we find the formula of force, as you know that the formula of force is, you have studied the formula, I think F is equal to ma. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. So हम यही फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे. फोर्स इज इक्वल टू मास इनटू acceleration. Mass will be represented by m and acceleration we can write this formula m L t to the power minus 1. आपको यहाँ पे बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स के रूल को फॉलो करना है जो आपने जूनियर सेक्शन में पढ़ा होगा क्लास 7th 8th में. सेम नंबर है यहाँ पे या सेम लेटर है, सो पावर शुड बी ऐड. अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं सो इट विल बिकम m टू द पावर 2 L एंड t टू द पावर minus 1. इसी मेथड का यूज करके यू कैन फाइंड dimension for formula of any physical quantity, but you have to remember only two things. You have to know this and you have to remember the formula of which physical quantity you have to find. You have to know its formula also. Okay, so I have tell you how to find the dimension formula. So I will give you a homework. You have to find the dimension formula of work and power. And you have to tell the dimension formula of work and power in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.